Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the iPad. Close background apps and free immediate storage because low RAM and full flash slow everything. Once done, delete 1 or 2 large apps or videos to create 1-2 GB free. That gives the system breathing room. Make sure the device is charging and on Wi-Fi so updates and caches can complete. Now perform a force restart. Pressing the proper buttons clears hung processes and resets temporary memory, which is the fastest first fix you should do. Next, you update software and trim what runs in the background because outdated code and too many services cause lag. First, install the latest iPad OS and all app updates that fixes performance bugs. Then offload or delete apps you seldom use. Offloading keeps data but frees space. Make sure to turn off background app refresh for non-essential apps, since it consumes CPU and network cycles. Finally, reduce animated wallpapers and motion in settings to lower GPU load. If problems persist, reset settings and test again. You keep data, but clear misconfigured options that cause slowdowns. Once done, check performance. If it's still laggy, back up and restore the iPad to factory settings, then restore only essential apps so you avoid reintroducing the issue. Make sure to monitor CPU and storage after each step. If none of this helps, run diagnostics or contact Apple support. Sometimes failing storage or battery throttling is the underlying cause, and you may need a hardware repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.